Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change button colors on your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to ensure your buttons match your brand colors and stand out exactly how you want them to, making your site more cohesive and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your websites are listed. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Squarespace sites. Now on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to change the button colors. This will open up that specific site's management panel. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one so you don't accidentally modify the wrong project. Once you're in, look over to the upper right corner of your screen and click Edit Site. This takes you into the actual editing environment where you can make changes to your site's design and content. It's the space where all the customization magic happens. Next, staying in the upper right corner, click on the brush icon. This icon is your gateway to site styles, which is where all the visual customization options live. Clicking this will open a side panel with various styling categories that control the overall look and feel of your website. From the options that appear, click on Colors. This section controls all the color schemes used across your site. You'll see different sections listed, such as a lightest 1-inch or other similar naming conventions depending on your template. Click on the section name that corresponds to the area of your site where you want to adjust button colors, then click the section itself to expand it. Now scroll down until you find the button category. This is where all button-related color settings are housed. It's important to locate this section because it gives you precise control over how your buttons appear to visitors. Under the button section, click Primary Button Background or whichever button type you're using if your site has multiple button styles. This allows you to customize the background color of your button. You can choose from a color picker or enter a specific hex code if you have exact brand colors you need to match. After adjusting the background, click Primary Button Text to change the font color on your button. This ensures your text is readable and contrasts nicely against the background color you just selected. Play around with the colors until you find a combination that looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save. This locks in your new button colors and applies them across your site. Your buttons will now reflect your brand identity much more accurately. And there you have it, you've successfully changed button colors on your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.